wipe shop. Let's see. We're in Target. Going to Target. Let's see how much stuff we come out to get rid of. Babe, we came here to get some wipes.
Yep.
I got the cart. If it ain't broke. Nah, we ain't getting this one.
Pop up, no. Push. Don't touch it.
Let's go. In the Target with it. Hey. In the Target with it. Hey, let's get the wipes, pop up. We're making our way downtown. Walking fast, faces fast, and I'm home now. Come on, pop up. He said hi. Oh, uh-oh. He's so friendly. Getting some wipes.
Look at that, like I remember that stuff. You don't eat that no more. You're a big boy.
Yeah, you don't eat that no more. You're a big boy. King, potties? We're gonna get you a cool potty, right? You like that one? Even though you got a potty at home.
You good on Pampers?
I thought we was gonna grab him. Yeah, we might as well grab some. I don't know. We wasn't supposed to be grabbing anything.
What Pampers brand you want, babe?
He's talking about the Pampers brand. You know my baby use Huggies everything. I mean, I'm not discriminating on nothing. I'm just saying. He not. Hello.
Hello.
It's a Huggies world.
That over here? Oh, chocolate milk, chocolate milk.
What we need, babe?
Chocolate milk.
You want the wipes? It's a Pampers. It's a chocolate milk. I bet you when we get home, he probably used a half a pack of his diapers that he just got. Can you say hi? You want chocolate milk, King? King. He's looking at this basketball. That's Cheez-It balls. Daddy? Look, you heard what he said, Daddy?
Daddy, you want to start trying to get him to some of these shits?
Sure. Look at him putting his own stuff in the car.
Pop up. Try Sunny D? Orange juice?
Look at him. You like, yeah. No.
Good, want to try it?
He like, no.
Orange juice, yeah.
King, why are you down like that? Oh, he trying to secure what he put down there. So he's shopping too. This boy is funny. Those are my men, y'all. Those are my men. Come on, King. You work here?
I like it.
You working? King, you working? In the Target? Pop, say hello. As you can see, we definitely came here and got more than wipes. Definitely. I just want to get back.
Nice here. Come on.
Always. I'm gonna start. Stranger danger! Stranger danger! Stranger danger! He love change. That's your money? And this was just to see if he was gonna just only get white. Clearly, I was right. He was gonna leave out of here with more. This is New York, so you gotta pay for bags, you know. They don't, ain't nobody, we're not doing all of that. Not today. We got our bags in the car.
This is a real conversation.
So as you can see.
As you can see.
Oh no, King. Yeah, he's thieving. He did not even pay for that. Well, sometimes that shows you. And that is how King gets his stuff on the low, y'all. Y'all seen it here first. When a baby shows his parents how he gets his snacks. Okay. We're raising a genius. Yeah. He's learning how to save me a buck already. No, just saying. I gotta work on that. My background is cool though. Hey, at the Target. Y'all like, share, comment, subscribe.